Health Awareness Month, and we continue to cover resources and tools available. There's also important work being done in our state and across the country. Here's a live look at the White House. This is where Yale student Carmel Al-Shaibi will present at the first ever Mental Health Youth Action Forum, which is taking place tomorrow. Carmel is joining us now to discuss what she will be presenting. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you so much for having me.
So first off, you must be an incredible student and woman to be afforded such an opportunity. How did this come about?
Well, thank you so much. It's really an honor to be able to serve with MTV and alongside such an amazingly and inspiringly talented cohort of youth advocates. I serve on the UNICEF USA National Youth Council, and that's where I first heard about this opportunity. I applied to the forum really because two parts of my identity led me to this opportunity, which is my identity as a student and my identity as an Arab American. Forming a healthy relationship with your mental health is difficult for anyone in our society when there's such little institutional investment in mental health. But it's particularly difficult for individuals from marginalized and minority communities, where often our stories and our challenges are not reflected in the stories of others. So I just applied to this forum with the hopes that I could change that narrative and hopefully serve as a voice for those who don't have one.
Mental health is such an important topic. No better time than now to talk about it, especially with everything going on in the world. I know that Dr. Jill Biden will be there tomorrow, singer Selena Gomez. What will you be presenting at the White House tomorrow?
Absolutely. If these last 3 years of the pandemic have taught us anything, they have shown us the profound challenges poor mental health services have just generated across the board for youth and for children. So for the past 6 weeks, my team has been working to develop a campaign to address mental health issues in our community and really to inspire youth to take action on mental health. We've been perfecting these pitches and we'll be presenting these campaigns tomorrow to industry experts, media and tech professionals, and government officials at the White House, with the intention that our projects will both change the culture from awareness to action on mental health and really just inspire youth to raise their voices and take action on mental health.
In terms of having this be a success, the forum is such a great platform. What would make this a success in terms of changing the mental health of not only children, but adults from this platform that you've been given?
Young people are going through this mental health crisis, and no one is really better equipped to drive a healthier, more equitable, and accessible mental health culture and system for present and both for future generations than young people themselves. And MTV has given us this opportunity, as well as UNICEF USA, by centering youth voices. Hopefully after this forum, more youth voices will be centered and brought to the table, given an opportunity to lead so that there's more accessible and equitable services across all institutions for children, for students, across all kinds of communities and sectors, so that we're really changing the narrative that mental health isn't just something to be dealt with in the negative, but really it's just like physical health, and it's just like any kind of health that needs to be addressed each and every day.
You are exactly right. Carmel Al-Shaibi, you are one incredible young woman. We are lucky to have you at Yale and in our state. We appreciate you being with us today. And of course, good luck tomorrow. I know it'll go great.
Thank you so much. I'm looking forward to it.